ओके, तो हम अब आपको बात कराते हैं जो इस शॉप के ओनर हैं, वो आपको बताएंगे इन सारी बियर्स के जो दाम हैं यहाँ पर वो क्या रेट है। उसके बाद आप कंपैरिजन कर सकते हैं दिल्ली के दाम या फिर और जगहों के दामों से। तो आइए बात करते हैं। आपका शुभ नाम? योवेल। ओके, योवेल जी हमें बताएंगे कि यहाँ के जो रेट्स हैं वो क्या है। जैसे कि पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं।
दिस इज 43।
इसका बड़ा साइज़?
बिग साइज इज
95। ओके।
देन अल्ट्रा दैट
60। ओके, इसका भी बड़ा आता है ना एक?
या बट इट्स आउट ऑफ स्टॉक।
ओके।
यू डोंट गेट इट।
ओके।
देन किंगफिशर स्ट्रांग,
इसका?
दिस इज 50।
ओके, इसका बड़ा भी आता है? 95।
देन किंगफिशर
प्रीमियम 43। ओके।
बिग साइज 650। 85।
ओके।
देन कार्लसबर्ग स्मूथ, दिस ओनली pint and can. Pint is 55.
Pint is 55. Okay. And can? 65.
Then Corona 100.
One size. Okay.
Pack size, this is
50.
Can is 70. Then this is the old King's beer.
Old Kings.
Yeah, the Goa King's beer.
Goa Kings beer, no?
That has shut down and they have come with a new company,
Konings.
Same, this is 75, only one size.
Only one size. Okay.
Then Heineken 80.
80.
You get Heineken pint and can.
Can
is 95. Then is Budweiser 60 pint.
60 pint. Okay.
Can 85.
Can 85.
And 650 100.
600. Okay.
Then Bira White
75.
Then this comes to Breezer. All the Breezers are one price, 80.
Okay. And the same size?
Yeah, same.
Okay.
Then this is a new beer. I think this is a wheat beer.
Wheat beer. It's new, no?
Yeah, this is a new one. It's a wheat beer.
I'll try.
Wheat. Then Kingfisher Premium, as I said.
Okay.
This is the can. 65. Then Budweiser Strong Magnum 110.
110. Okay.
The big size 130.
130.
Kingfisher Ultra can 95.
Can 95. Okay.
Then again the Budweiser 85. Carlsberg Strong 90. Heineken 95. Tuborg Strong 70. Tuborg Premium 65.
But also have the big size, no?
Yeah, 95.
Okay. This one, 95.
Then Budweiser
100.
Then this is the Goan craft beer,
Maca. Okay.
This is
Crafted beer, no?
Yeah, Goan craft beer. This is again wheat beer.
Okay. How much is the price?
This is Bavarian Keller. This is 190.
190.
90.
Only 90.
Then this is another Goan beer.
This is also Goan beer. What is the name?
Legacy.
Pegasus.
You will introduce. This is Lega beer.
Okay.
Of Bali. This is 100.
100.
Then these are
The breezers are the same.
80.
तो ये था जो प्राइस वो सारी बियर्स का था। अब हम आपको बताने जा रहे हैं विस्की के प्राइसेस। तो ये जो है हमारी विस्की है। अब हम विस्की के प्राइसेस जानेंगे कि जो हम रेगुलरली बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं वो सारे ब्रांड्स हैं। उसके बाद हम अपर ब्रांड्स में भी जाएंगे। तो चलिए पता करते हैं ये सारे दाम। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं इंपीरियल ब्लू से। 270.
McDonald's 270.
270.
Reserve 7 300.
300. Okay.
Royal Stag 300.
300.
McDonald's Platinum 300.
300.
Bellwether. This is a Goan brand.
गोवा का ये
350.
350.
Then Oaksmith 350.
350.
Old Monk 350. This
Okay.
is 12 years.
12 years.
Not the
Okay.
regular Old Monk. This is 12 years.
12 years.
Royal Stag 360.
360.
This is the Barrel Select.
Barrel selection.
And Peter Scott 500.
500. Okay.
So from 270 to 500.
270 to 500. Okay. तो अभी हम आपको दिखाने जा रहे हैं रेंज जो है वो 500 से लेकर 950 तक है। और इसमें रम है, इसमें रेयर एंड फाइन विस्की है। उसके अलावा कुछ अच्छे ब्रांड्स भी हैं लाइक ब्रेंडर स्प्राइट, फायरवॉल, मैकिंटोस। तो जानते हैं इन सब चीज़ों के प्राइस। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं रम से।
Old Monk.
Old Monk.
The entire Old Monk. This is 500.
500. Very old.
Very old. Then this is Old Oak.
Old Oak.
It's a local brand. You won't get it elsewhere in India.
Only in Goa.
Only in Goa.
मतलब they cannot sell outside the Goa.
You can, but it's not available elsewhere. It's only
Okay.
available in Goa. This is 525.
525.
And this is another Old Monk, which is the face of the monk.
What is the difference in between?
It's the same.
Same.
It's just the structure. This is a full monk. I'll show you.
Okay. Okay.
This is all.
Because of this.
Yeah. Just the shape.
Because of the shape. Yeah.
And this is the face. Just the face of the monk.
Okay.
So this is 525.
525. Okay. Then come blended
Then
price.
comes blended price. 580.
580.
There must be a video number.
What is the meaning of over 150 year? Okay, heritage.
No, that's the.
Okay. And how old is this?
This is there's no age. This is just normal. This.
No whiskey.
Then comes the signature. 600.
600.
600. Then this is hybrid. This is also a local brand.
Only you can find in Goa.
Yeah, only Goa. With this you get a miniature also now. You get a glass.
Miniature. Okay.
And you get a miniature of the thing.
Wow. What is the price?
This is about 600.
600.
Then comes Rockford.
So it's a full pack.
Yeah, the full pack. So there are whiskey bottle.
It's good for to give someone a gift,
Yeah.
like a gift. Okay.
Then this is Rockford.
Rockford.
625.
625. Okay.
This is Oaksmith. This is a
Oaksmith.
popular brand in India actually.
Okay, Smith. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is 630.
630.
Then comes Blenders Pride
Then
Reserve.
BP Reserve. Okay.
675.
Reserve. What is the meaning of reserve
It's a
collection?
little better quality than the Blenders Pride regular.
Okay.
It's more refined. It's distilled also well. This is a better one than the Blenders Pride regular.
Okay.
Then Antiquity Blue. 675. same
670.
price. Then comes Macintosh.
Macintosh.
This is a brand by Amrut.
Amrut. Yes.
This is 675. This also get a glass free inside.
Okay. Inside glass also. Okay.
And this is Fireball.
Fireball.
Cinnamon flavored whiskey. 950.
First time I'm hearing this
first
brand.
time.
Yeah.
It's popular in South India actually.
South India. Okay. Fireball.
Fireball.
950.
950. Cinnamon flavor.
Okay. It's a flavored whiskey.
Yeah,
Okay.
flavored
Cinnamon flavor. ओके सो अब हम रेंज देखने जा रहे हैं 1000 से 2000 के बीच की। ये सारी की सारी जो हैं ब्लेंडेड स्कॉच विस्की हैं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं वैट 69 से।
This is by 1050.
1050
William Lawson again blended scotch 1050.
1050 ओके।
Grand Distinction.
Grand
This is by
Distinction.
Glenfiddich.
इट्स अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ स्कॉटलैंड ओके।
This is 1275.
1275 ओके 1275।
This again, this is Labrador. This is local brand. This is 1000.
इट्स वेरी फेमस आल्सो।
This is famous one.
कितना?
1275.
1275 ओके।
Then comes Black Dog.
ब्लैक डॉग
1350.
1350
Then Teacher.
Teacher
1350.
1350
100 Piper. Same 1350.
ओके।
Diwar White Label.
दीवा
1350.
ओके।
Then something special 1350.
इट्स अ ब्रांड नेम समथिंग स्पेशल
Something special. Yeah.
ओके। कितना इसका?
1350.
1350 ओके।
Black and White
ब्लैक एंड वाइट
1410.
1410
Then Jim Beam. This is a limited edition box.
Okay.
With our tip box.
बिकॉज ऑफ द लिमिटेड एडिशन इसकी वजह से ये ऐसा पैक है इसका।
Yeah, just the package. The bottle is the same.
What is the
Price
same?
also is the same.
ओके
1435.
1435 ओके।
Then
देन
Scottish Leader.
स्कॉटिश लीडर ओके।
this is 1450.
1450
Then comes Paul Jones single malt. The cheapest single malt in the world.
cheapest
Cheapest. 1600.
1600 okay।
Then Teachers 50.
Teachers 50 what is the difference? And okay it's Teachers 50 and the other one is Highland
Yeah, this is
3
Highland 3. This is Teachers 50. This is 1995.
1000 almost 2000 रुपीज़। अब हम आपको दिखाने जा रहे हैं जो ब्रांड्स हैं जो थोड़े हायर उसमें आते हैं हायर कॉस्ट में। ये सारे 2000 से 4000 के बीच के हैं ना।
Yes.
2000 से 4000 के बीच में ये सारे जो है माल्ड स्कॉच विस्कीज़ हैं। बड़े बड़े ब्रांड्स हैं। जानते हैं इनके रेट्स क्या हैं गोवा के अंदर। यदि आप गोवा हैं तो इनके रेट्स क्या रहेंगे। स्टार्ट करते हैं। ये नाम है बेली सी।
This is Irish Cream imported again. This is 2120.
2120 ये आइलैंड का ब्रांड है ओके।
This also this is Irish whiskey.
आयरिश विस्की ओके।
Jameson.
जेमसन
2500.
2500 ओके।
This is Teachers 12 years.
टीचर्स
Yes,
12
yes,
years हाँ ओके
12
एज
years old.
ओके 12
12 years old.
12 year old
This is 2590.
2590 ओके ऑलमोस्ट 2600।
And this is Amrut.
अमृत या
Indian single malt whiskey. This is Amrut Amalgam peated. This is 2800.
2800 ओके 2800।
Then
Jack
Jack
Daniels.
Daniels 3200.
3200 ओके
Imported again.
ओके।
And this is Black Label. This is a limited edition one. Black Label because Johnny Walker completed 200 years.
ओके दो साल की
So
वैसे
just a limited edition.
लिमिटेड एडिशन है ओके।
The price is the same. Black Label and this. Just the package.
जस्ट अ पैकिंग
It's
चेंज
3660.
3660
This
ओके
also same price.
सेम
3660.
ब्लैक लेवल ओके
And this is Chivas.
Chivas.
12 years old.
12 years old.
These three are 12 years old.
ओके ऑल आर 12 years old।
This is 3700.
3700 ओके।
White Walker. This is the Game of Thrones.
गेम
edition.
ऑफ थ्रोन्स एडिशन ओके।
Johnny Walker. 3900.
3900 ओके।
And this is Johnny Walker Double Black.
डबल ब्लैक 4250 ओके। सो ये रेंज है हमारी 2000 से 4250 की। ये जो सारी जो आप बॉटल्स देख रहे हैं ये या तो सिंगल माल्ट स्कॉच विस्की है या फिर ब्लेंडेड स्कॉच विस्कीज़ हैं जिनका प्राइस है 5100 से 7250 के बीच में। जानते हैं हर एक का दाम और क्या है ब्रांड का नाम। तो पहली है ग्रीन फ्रिडिश
Glenfiddich. This is 12 years old.
12 year old
5100.
5100 ओके।
Glenmorangie. Again, it's a single malt whiskey. This also single malt.
सिंगल माल्ट ओके।
This is 5195.
5195 ओके।
Then the Glenlivet. 12 years old. 5200.
5200
Then Johnny Walker Gold Label. The Gold Reserve.
गोल्ड रिजर्व
5200.
5200 ओके।
Then Bowmore 12 years.
नंबर 1 वॉल्स
Yeah.
वाव मोर ओके।
5565.
5555 ओके
Then this is the Valentine. This has been discontinued actually.
ओके
Those who have it will have it. Otherwise, it's very difficult to get it.
ओके।
This is 6150.
6150
Valentine 12 years.
वैलेंटाइंस ओके। सिंगल माल्ट
Single malt.
Talisker.
Talisker, again by Johnny Walker.
It's a brand of Johnny Walker?
Yeah, it's a brand by Johnny Walker.
Okay.
6,800.
6,800, okay.
And this is Glenfiddich 15 years.
Glenfiddich.
15 years.
क्या डिफरेंस है दोनों में?
That's 12 years, is 15 years.
15 years, okay. Age difference, okay.
7,250.
7,250, okay. ये सबसे ज़्यादा कॉस्टलीस्ट है आपके पास? ओके, ये सबसे महंगी है 7,250 की। ओके, तो ये अब जो हमारे सामने लगी हुई है सारी की सारी वाइन्स हैं। अब हम जानते हैं ये सारी अधिकतर जो यहाँ पर लोकल वाइन्स हैं जो कि इंडिया में ही बनती हैं, तो जानते हैं कौन कौन से वो ब्रांड हैं जो लोकल वाइन्स बनाते हैं। और एक डिफरेंस भी है वाइन्स में, कुछ वाइट वाइन होती है, कुछ रेड वाइन होती हैं। तो उन सारी चीज़ों के बारे में जानते हैं और उनके प्राइस भी जानते हैं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं इन कैन से। जो कैन ही
And all Fratelli wines.
मतलब इसका क्या होता है?
This is, they are all sour wine. They are a little bitter.
बिटर,
They
ओके।
are not sweet. Sweet wines are red.
बट दे आर वाइन, नो?
Yeah, they are wine.
They are wine.
It's wine in a can. Earlier this all come in bottles.
ओके,
So now they came with can.
ओके,
So this is knowing. This they have a bigger one which is a champagne also. This is knowing. This is 130. This is the cheapest one.
cheapest one,
Rest all
130.
150.
And then 150, okay.
This is 130. This is the rest all 150.
Okay, and these are all brand Indian brands?
Yeah, they're all Indian brands.
Tilt,
Still by Fratelli.
Fertility, okay.
Then coming to the bottle, these are the white wines. 3 white wines.
3 white wines, yeah.
This is Raya. This is by Adam Zampa. That is from Karnataka.
Karnataka, okay.
Gruber Zampa.
Okay,
This is 375.
okay.
This also is by Gruber Zampa. This is 450.
450.
This is a little sweet.
Little sweet,
Yeah.
okay.
Compared to Sula Sula, this is white wine.
White wine,
This is Sauvignon Blanc, which is 740.
740,
740.
okay.
This although it's not that sweet compared to the rest.
Okay.
Then these are the rose wines.
These are rose wines,
Rose wines.
okay.
This is again Fratelli.
Fertility.
All three are Fratelli.
All are from Fertility brand, okay.
This is 740.
740,
This is 450.
Okay.
This is again 740.
740.
Then comes this also Fratelli.
Fertility,
Cider. This is a little
Red wine.
Yeah, right, red wine.
red wine.
This is a little sweet
Little sweet, okay.
compared to the others. This is a little sweeter.
Okay,
This is cider 320.
320.
This is Vero Rosso again by Fratelli.
Fertility,
740. 440 sorry. 440.
440.
This is by Gruber Zampa.
Grower Zampa,
Gruber Zampa is a company based in Karnataka. itself.
Karnataka, okay. It's
Then this is 450.
450,
This is again by Gruber Zampa, One Tree Hill.
okay.
This is 510.
510,
510.
okay.
This is Fratelli Classic Mellow 740.
740, okay. This is
Sula-
also red wine, no?
Yeah, this is all red wine.
All red
This is Sula,
Sula,
Shiraz Cabernet, red wine 740.
740. The same price, the white and the red.
Yeah, they are the same price. Only thing that tastes a little different.
Taste is
The
different.
red wine is because the skin of the grape. So it tends to give you a little soft flavor.
Okay,
Then this is La Reserve by Fratelli,
Fertility.
1125. This is the premium wine in Fratelli.
Premium wine and Fertility. And it is the costliest wine in India, in local brands.
Yeah, in local brand.
Local brand.
Then this is the imported one, Jacob's Creek.
Jacob,
Australian
it's an
one.
Australian brand.
Australian
Okay. And what is the price of this?
This is 1,150.
1,150.
And then this you get a glass free.
हाँ, they serve you glass also. Okay. So ये सारी थी वाइन्स जो आपको मिल जाएंगे गोवा में और इनके रेट्स आपको पता चल गए हैं। अब